Hello there. Today we will be learning how to install VMware onto your computers so that you may access ARC servers from off-campus. The first thing you are going to do is go to ARC's Student Technology Center page. Scroll down until you see the VMware Horizon Client section and click on the link that corresponds to your device. For this video, we will be going over the Windows download process. You will be redirected to the Omnissa Horizon Installation Guide page. Under Step 1, copy and paste the link into your browser. The web page you are sent to should have this icon on it. To download the VMware, press on the text on the left side of the screen. This will take you to the Omnissa download page. Make sure that you are selecting the latest version and the version appropriate for your device. When you have located that, select the text that says Go to Downloads. From here, click on the Download Now button. After it has finished downloading, click on the file to run it. Click on the Accept and Upgrade button, and Omnissa Horizon will begin its installation. Once the installation is complete, click on the Finish button. You will now find a desktop shortcut on your home screen. Click on this shortcut to launch the Omnissa Horizon client. Once you have opened the client, click on the Add Server button. You will be asked to name the server you wish to connect to. Under Step 9 on the ARC Omnissa installation page, you can find a link to the server name. You can copy and paste this name, or you can write it out letter by letter. After you have entered in the name, click on the Connect button. Once connected, you will be asked to sign in. Here, you will enter in your student W number and student password. You are now connected to the ARC servers. Select which department you would like to connect to, and Omnissa will connect you. Now you will be able to access the programs provided by the school's servers. There will also be a tab in the upper middle part of your screen. This tab will allow you to disconnect from the server, adjust the settings, add folders, exit full screen mode, and other things. If you exit full screen mode, you will be able to access both the school's server and your own local network. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.